Do you want to steam milk like this using a home espresso machine? Let me show you how. Did you know steaming milk on a home espresso machine is very challenging? And here's the main reason why. Most espresso machines used at home are single boiler espresso machine. This means the espresso machine has one boiler for brewing your espresso and also steaming milk. This results in too low pressure of steaming milk when using this espresso machine, which makes it very hard for you to properly steam your milk and achieve the silky texture for making a good latte art. But let me show you how you can be able to steam your milk using a home espresso machine despite of the low pressure. This is a simple guide showing you the full process from start until the finish. So let's dive in. Our first step is pulling our shot of espresso that you're going to need for making your latte art. Next step is getting our milk ready. We're going to be using cold milk. I would recommend for you to use fresh full fat milk. This is the type of milk that has the right amount of fats in it. Then open the steam to run until it reaches the full pressure. This can take around 15 to 20 seconds depending on the espresso machine that you're using at home. Next, insert your steaming one inside your milk, just below the surface of the milk. Move your jug slightly, positioning the steaming one on the side of your milk jug. Hold your jug with one hand, then open the steam. Wait until the steam builds pressure to move the milk. It might make some noise, but hold until the milk starts moving. Injecting some air by lowering your jug a little bit. This will help you in creating the perfect foam. Then lift up your jug and continue texturing your milk. Aim for a vortex motion in the milk. Hold until you reach the desirable temperature. You don't need a thermometer. Let me share with you a barista secret, how baristas are able to measure the temperature of the milk without using a thermometer. You just need to hold at the base of your milk jug. Hold it until it's too hot for you to hold anymore. This means the milk has reached your desirable temperature. Close the steam, then put down your jug. Clean your steaming one before the milk dries up on the steam. This is a silk milk texture which you can achieve if you follow these simple steps using your home espresso machine. But don't forget, this is only the basic guide. But if you want to level up your milk steaming and be able to create the perfect milk texture like professional baristas do, then you're going to need to watch this video next, because it shows you the common mistakes that you might be making and how you can fix them so that you can be able to level up your milk steaming, which will make it easy for you to make a good latte art within a short period of time.